Good morning, sunshine. It's time to get up. Let's go. One of my signs that's going to be getting put up around here. Baked goods ready to head out the door. Few more to hustle. Gonna make the nativity scene. A whole lot of popcorn balls. A whole lot of popcorn balls. Hey, I'm not bragging, man, but that was some hard work, man. For me, but the baker's inside. Say hi, Ty. Hi. She's inside. I'm putting that girl to sleep. She gotta go take a nap. Good morning, come. Say good morning. This is the Stonies. Good morning, the Stony Ponies. I want to know. Say good morning. Good morning, Nini girl. Want a treat? Yeah, right. You were eating popcorn balls already this morning, huh? Huh? Now you're gonna go to sleep. Now we're gonna take a nap. Okay? Well, that's what our morning was this morning. Y'all have a good rest of the day. Share them positive vibes. 'Cause Santa said so. Peace.